tie your boat where the black water bends after the sun drops low. Whole river keeps what the daylight leaves, that's just something locals know. If you hear a whistle through the cypress trees, don't whistle back too soon. Might be the wind, might be Charlie singing to the moon. Cottonmouth Charlie laughing through the cane, walking with a snake's legs, sleeping like they knew his name. River don't tell, and Charlie won't lie. He just grin and tip his hat as another boat drifted by.